This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the case and removing the stem. This gives access to the dial and hands. Use a case opener or thin blade. Pry gently so you don't deform the case back. Once the crown is accessible, depress the release screw or lever while easing the stem out. This prevents stress to the winding pinion. Make sure the movement sits on a clean, padded surface because dust or misalignment will ruin your reassembly and timing later. Now remove the hands with precision. First, shield the dial with protectors or a thin plastic card so you don't scratch lacquer or print. Use hand levers or a 2 or 3-prong puller and lift evenly. Work in 1 mm increments so you don't bend the feet or warp the cannon pinion. Once free, inspect the cannon pinion and hand feet. Clean any grime carefully, because proper seating depends on a clean, square surface and true alignment for accurate timekeeping. To install new hands, set the movement to 12:00 so you have a reference. That ensures alignment later. Fit the hour hand first, then the minute, and finally the seconds. Press evenly and check that each is parallel to the dial and clears indices and the crystal. Once done, reinsert the stem, confirm crown function, and secure the case back. If hands bind or touch, press gently to adjust. If timing changes significantly, inspect seating and cannon pinion for debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.